Hey y'all, thanks for joining me once again on my channel, Faith to Fork. Today I'm going to show you how to make ranch seasoned chicken strips in the air fryer. This is a super easy recipe. It's one of my go-tos for a busy weeknight dinner, and you can serve it with all kinds of different sides. Also, even people who are not doing a low-carb diet will love these chicken strips. So, if you would, be sure and like my video, subscribe, and share it, and I would certainly appreciate it. Okay, y'all, I just want to encourage you that if you've had a bad weekend, a bad day, a bad week, or whatever, and you just need to start over, then just do that. Just start over. It's okay. And don't feel bad about what you have or have not done, or that you feel like you may have messed up. Guys, just start over. It's a new day, and we're all in this together. So just keep going, and let's do this. I have 2 pounds of chicken tenders here, and the first thing you need to do is you need to pat them dry with a paper towel just to absorb all of the moisture. Next, I have rubbed them all with some olive oil. You can use avocado oil if you prefer. And just rub them so that your seasoning will stick to the chicken. Next, I have mixed 2 different ranch seasonings. I like mine a little bit spicy, so I love the spicy ranch. And then I mixed it with 1 package of regular. This is the dry ranch dressing mix. I emptied them into a bowl so that I could mix them together. And once I have done this, I just begin to sprinkle it over my chicken and coat the chicken really well. Then I kind of pat it into the chicken, rub it in, so that the coating sticks a little bit better. I turn them over and repeat the process. Just keep doing this until all of your seasoning is used up, or until you have used as much as you want. I have preheated my air fryer to 400 degrees, and we are going to cook the chicken strips for 8 to 10 minutes. I have 2 trays full of chicken strips, so my air fryer will give me a notification halfway through at about 4 minutes if I have it set on 8 minutes to turn them. What I do is rotate the trays. And here they are. I actually ended up air frying them for 10 minutes, so 5 minutes per tray, and they turned out perfect. You do not have to flip these because the air fryer does cook underneath just as well. They pair really well with salad. And then we served them with the bacon wrapped radishes and salad for our dinner tonight. This is so yummy, y'all. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.